Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use a VPN on an iPhone. It's pretty much the same thing on an iPad. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions around the video, I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing you want to do if you want to have an VPN on your iPhone is you should know that you can get one for free. I'm not gonna tell you how to get a paid one. It's easy to get a paid one. I'll show you how to get a free one. So, uh, people would think that you go on your settings and then you have the VPN option, and you can connect to a VPN if you already have one installed. But to get one, you want to go on the App Store and type in VPN. And I've tested out a few ones, but from this one was free last time I used it, but you can check. And there's some other ones that you can use that are free. Some of them have in-app purchases for some better IPs. Yeah, this is the one I use. VPN Master. It's actually free. You just open it. There's some ads sometimes, and you click open, turn VPN on. Here, if I click connect, it will connect. So it's as easy as that. If you like the video, give it a like, and I want to see you in the next one.